What's up, everybody? Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California, doing my second take of my ride to work vlog. So I want to tell you all the dumbass moves I've made today. I'm riding to work because it's a beautiful day. I don't want to go to work, and I figured I'd at least make it fun by riding the bike. Cool, right? Everybody understands that's cool. That's a fun thing to do. Well, first of all, I forgot my clear visor again. So tonight on the way home, I'll be rolling with my visor open and my safety glasses on. Which is fine. It just means that at freeway speed, there's no way I'm going to be able to vlog with the visor open. I think the wind noise is going to be way too damn much. So I went and topped off my gas tank, went and got my lunch, threw it in the saddlebag to bring with me. Got everything set up, did my little clapper to line up my audio and video, and realized something. About 10 minutes into vlogging, my camera wasn't on. So all I got is audio from that section. I was on a roll too, I was talking away. So I'm going to try and recap everything that I already talked about. First of all, rolling single camera today, as you see up there on my handlebars, and using the task cam with some settings that I didn't realize that I missed. So I changed them, and there's always a chance I changed them too much, and this is still going to be useless because you're not going to be able to hear shit. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe if it is too low, I'll be able to fix it in post. Video I did the other day, my audio off the task cam was peaked out the entire time, and you couldn't understand the word I was saying. So everything's reset, we'll see how that goes. So I decided to leave for work early today, so I can stop by Top Rocker Harley. They're right down the street from my second job, and from what I hear, they do carry First Classics leather. So what I'm going to look for is see if they have the jacket that I want in stock, since Santa Clarita Harley doesn't have it. Still love you guys over there at Santa Clarita, but I need that jacket, and it's on back order right now. If they were telling me, oh, it's just on order, we'll have it next week, I'd just wait, because I really want to give some business to that store, since they're so damn cool and I love them. But I need the jacket. And I'm hoping Top Rocker has it, so I'll have something to wear home tonight when it's, you know, cold and stuff. Yeah, I said it, cold. Don't judge me. When it's in the 50s in California, it's cold. Sorry, guys. I know you all hate me right now. So I wanted to point out to everybody also, you need to check something. A lot of my hashtag support comments that are made on my videos get put in the likely spam file, and I have to go through, clear them out, and approve them to actually be publicly posted. So I missed out on a lot of people's comments, and I felt really bad about that when I found them. I know everybody understands it's all cool, but I'm still going to feel bad about it, and I just want to make sure everybody knows, check your spam file, because you may be missing some comments. Being that I'm going to work, I will be off at 12:30 tonight, and last time I tried to vlog when I was coming home at night, didn't realize that my ISO was set way too low, and so all I got was dark video. I tried to fix that video in post, and I just could not get it to lighten up enough. So I forgot my face shield, so I won't be able to vlog all the way home. I'm going to try, while I'm still on the surface streets, to come back in later tonight on the way home, let y'all know how the day went. Don't know how that's going to go, so no guarantees on that. Hopefully it goes well. But if you stay on and watch the whole video and there's some night stuff later on, you'll see that it went well. So my biggest reason why I really want this audio recorder to work is I like listening to tunes when I'm out for a ride, especially when I'm going to work, so I can chill and relax and enjoy the ride. Well, with the Cena GP10, you cannot connect to your phone and listen to music with the GP10 on. So for today, I chose classic rock. I listen to all different kinds of music. I'm not stuck with one kind. Just classic rock today. I got a bunch of Eagles, Creedence Clearwater Revival rolling here. There's also a bunch of other stuff on here. Alright, I think I'm done babbling for now. I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye just in case the video is useless later on. And hopefully the whole video isn't useless because of audio issues, but that's going to be it for now. I'll try and pick you guys back up later tonight and see if it works out. Until then, Riverside down, shy side up. Talk to you all next time. What's up, everybody? Don't know if you can hear me or not with the visor open and the wind blowing into my face, but I'll give it a try anyway. And hopefully you can see now that I reset my ISO and actually lets light in. Another long day in the ER, which I can't complain. It was fairly easy today because I got put in an area that was not busy at all, which I'm pretty sure the lead put me there because I got my ass handed to me yesterday. So that was damn nice of him. There's that goddamn check engine light again. So I realized something by forgetting to turn my camera on earlier today when I was on my way to work. I didn't turn it on. I didn't realize it was off. I turned it on while I was already riding on the freeway. And I had to go back over everything that I had already said. And then I also realized that I didn't line up my audio and video. I didn't do my clapper before I took off. So it's probably going to be a little bit of a bitch trying to get everything lined up, but I'll work on it. I'm sure I'll be able to find some point where I can make sounds match up. By the time I get home, it's going to be 1 in the morning. We'll see how I'm feeling. See if I grab a beer and get to editing right now, or if I'm going to wait till tomorrow. We'll see. Actually, there's no question about the beer. The beer will happen. We'll see if I do any editing or not. That's the only question. So, I am going to crank up the music and enjoy my ride home. So I'm going to be on the freeway soon anyway, and there's no way in hell you're going to hear what I'm saying. So, Riverside down, shy side up. I'll talk to you all next time.